start making this. So for making this section, first we're gonna make the hero section, and after that we're gonna make the header and footer. Okay, so for making the hero section, we can just add the flexbox container. We can choose the two section layout. Here, this is the structure. So we can rename this. So this is very easy to understand which section is which in our website while making. So we can just rename this to the hero section, and here we can choose 1300 max width, and here you can find we can just have 80 pixel to the top padding and some below padding also. After that we're gonna remove the padding at last. I will show you why. So let's go to the inner containers. We can name this 1 and 2 also. So let's remove all of the excess padding from here which come from the default. So here you can see that we have the black background. So for that we can go to the main section, go to the styles, and here you will find the background type classic. So here we have to choose the image. So the background image is this. So let me upload this. Okay, and after that we can go to the position, center and center, and here you will find the display size would be cover, and also we can go to the background overlay. Here we will have this blackish color. Okay, and here we can just have this like this. So this is done. Now we can add an image here. So let's drag and drop this image like this. So we have to choose this image. So the image which we are choosing is this. So you can see that I am giving the PNG image of this. Okay, then after that here we have to add this text. So let's add this heading here, and here we can add this copy this text from here like this. We can just click on this hero and we can make everything in the center. Let's duplicate this, and here also we can copy this text and we can duplicate this. Now you can see that here we have this, and here we have to choose the fonts. So here we can choose this font, and you can see that here we have the caps font, and here we can make this uppercase. Okay, now we have to change this color, so we can use the theme sky blue. Okay, and here we can make this 18 pixel. Then here you can see that we have this. For that we're gonna use the new. Okay, Beaver's new, and then we can increase the font size of this. We can make this 90 pixel, and here we can make this 500 width. Okay, and here we can copy this text like this. So we can make this white. So let's make this completely white. Okay, and let me increase the font size of this to 100 pixel. Okay, then after that you can see that here we have the para also. So let me upload this para, and here we have to change this color also. So let's change this color, and here also you can choose whatever font you want. So I am not updating the fonts. You can choose a font according to you. Okay, like this. Then after that you can see that we have this button. So for adding the button we can just go to this, and here we can add a drag and drop this button. Here you can change the button text, get in touch, and here you can just add the links of your website where you want to redirect this. Okay, now let's change these colors. So here we're gonna use black color. Okay, and here we can increase some padding. So let's have the 18 pixel padding, and here we can choose hell. So here you can choose whatever font you want. Okay, according to you. And here you can see that on the hover we have this color, but this is not looking good. So let me go to the hover, and here we're gonna use the background color to the white, and this color would be the black. Okay, like this. Here also you can see that we have the animations, shrink animation. So to add the animation you can choose here. So much animations are there. So let's choose the shrink animations. Also we have to add the 30 pixel top margin like this. Okay, so this is done. Let's update this now. So you can see that here we don't have any padding in the below. Okay, but in our section we have this padding below. So how to remove this? We can click on this hero and we can remove the padding from here. Okay, like this. Now let's publish again. Okay, so you can also preview this from here. So if you want to preview, you can just preview this here. Also you can preview the live website here. So we can click on this view page, so it will open this here.